Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show how to enable hardware encoding in Premiere Pro. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. First, you need to open some projects. And press Ctrl+M to open the media panel. And scroll down. Then you can see hardware encoding is hidden. Let's fix it. Press Ctrl+F12 to open console panel, then click the panel properties, click the debug database. Then type HW for hardware encoding. And watch the video for next step. After you need to close the console panel and close the Premiere Pro. Open Premiere Pro. And see its fix. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos.